Can you see this? Do you want to make anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per day re-uploading videos? Yes, you don't have to be on camera or even film anything yourself. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to simply copy and paste videos, how to make double the amount of money just from ad revenue without affiliate marketing, without CPA marketing, and how to automate the entire thing. So you can sit on the beach working from your laptop while smelling the salty ocean water and hearing the waves just crash against the white sand. Best part? Money comes into your bank account every day consistently without you doing anything. So stick along with me on this video all the way to the end, because you don't want to miss any of the steps. What you're going to do is go to cute animals and just search that into YouTube. And here you can see all these different YouTube channels around cute animals, so cute. And you can see the thumbnails are pretty simple to make. Now there are a couple of pitfalls that you can run into if you start doing this, but I'm going to talk about that in just a second. So you can see this channel right here, Cutest Animals, is getting hundreds of thousands of views every single day and making about $400 to $7,000 every single month. You can see this Cutest Puppy City is also 100,000 views, 200,000 views every single day, and about 1,000 to 23,000 monthly earnings right here. This other channel that's just started not too long ago that only has 29,000 subscribers is also getting a ton of views. You can see that they're hitting about 100,000, 200,000 views every single day and making up to $20,000 a month. You can see this one also, Funny Pet Videos, with 600k subscribers, is hitting anywhere from 300 to 500,000 views every single day, making anywhere from 3,000 to 55,000 monthly earnings. And I can tell you that in this niche, this is going to be right in between here. So pretty much about $25,000 every single month just posting pet videos. And I want to show you one last one here that is called All Animals. And what's so special about this is you can just scroll down and you can see that the first video they posted was 9 months ago and it got 5 million views, and this one got 1.4 million views, and this one got 2.6 million views, and they're getting millions and millions of views on these videos because they're so cute. Just so cute. One of the biggest pitfalls right here is that your video can get claimed and you can get a copyright strike. Now, the way you bypass this is to add something transformative in the video. And for this one, it actually has added like a laugh track in the background. They have their own music, and they also have like boing, stuff like that. And I think it's so corny, but in order to fall under fair use, you have to do something original, and you can't really just clip and clip and clip and clip like you could do like 5 years ago. You actually have to do something transformative on top of that. So you should put this in all of your videos, and that is, if you see a clip that you own that you did not submit or give consent for use, we have likely received false permission and would be happy to resolve this for you. Please drop us a line at this link right here. Now you can obviously just have your email, and a lot of people actually just have their email, but you can click here and you can see that it's just a Google form. So this is a contact form. You can do that for free with Google Drive, but this form is just so they can contact you exactly the same as an email. And I recommend you have just your email in every description down below so they can actually contact you. And if you want to rank a lot faster, you should actually download the vidIQ Chrome extension. It's a really good tool because you can check the stats right here, then you can go down and you can check out the tags that they're trying to rank for. So you can literally just copy their tags right here and rank a lot faster. Now you might be wondering, how are you going to copy and paste these videos? So all you have to do is go to YouTube and search for Cute Animals. Next, you're going to click on filter, and then you're going to go down to Creative Commons right here. Now, Creative Commons is kind of a double-edged sword because anybody could take a lot of different videos that have copyright on them and they can upload it to their own channel and put it as a Creative Commons. So that means that you can use these videos, but you should always try to make it unique and transformative to fall under fair use. The fair use law is you can use other people's clips as long as it's transformative and is actually not just reposting all the videos. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So you can actually just clip right in here. You can see that this is about cute dogs, and you can just copy link address. Now you should head over to this website y2mate.com and just paste the link directly in here, and then you can download the entire 1080p video. And then you can just click on download MP4, and as you can see in the bottom, we are downloading this right now. Now in 17 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to make more money with this than just with AdSense and not affiliate marketing. So this is how you make more money. You could go to teespring.com and you can click on start designing. Now you can go to sign up right here if you don't have an account, and you can literally sign up with your Facebook account or a Google account right here. Now you can click on start designing. As you can see, you can literally design t-shirts, socks, hoodies. You can even have mugs, posters, blankets, even tote bags. And the crazy part is I didn't know that people love like cats that much that they would buy like funny cat meme shirts and all that, but they do. They buy it like crazy. So we're actually gonna make a women's t-shirt, which I think is the best market for this. And you want to make sure that it doesn't ship from US only. You want to have from ship both US and EU. So we're just gonna click on this one, and then we're gonna click on sell right here. And what we're gonna do is go over to clean PNG, and we're gonna search for cat right here. And this one is pretty cool, and this is a free, you can use this for free, and you don't have to have any attribute or anything like that. And also they have transparent background, so it fits really well into this. So we're just going to click on free download right here, and then we can just click on add image right here, and we're going to add the image we just downloaded, just like that. Looks pretty cool already, right? Now you want to find some text that you can add on here to make it kind of funny and memeable. So we can write something like, what if the human is not my pet, but I'm his? Now you want to set your price to $22.99, or in euros $25.99, and you want to have it kind of on the higher end, because we're not gonna be a price shopper. We're actually, this is a niche down topic, so they are willing to pay higher price for this. So just gonna click on continue right here, and here you can see literally all the designs that we can use, like hoodies. It doesn't show the image right here, but you can do hoodies, you can do tank tops, socks, tote bags, like I said earlier, even leggings right here. You can sell all of this on your YouTube channel, and you're gonna get $10 almost profit from every one that you sell. And you don't have to take care of any of the fulfillment, the shipping, the printing of the t-shirt. Teespring takes care of all of that for you. It's literally all passive income. Now the last step is automation. And how do we automate this? And it's not going to cost $80 an hour or $150 an hour or $50 an hour. All we have to do is go to upwork.com, and in the lower right hand corner you can just click on this, and here you can post a job title. So we want a video virtual assistant, and we can have admin support. You can pick whatever you want here, but we're gonna have admin support. And literally the job that we're gonna make them do is take all of these viral funny cat videos, plot them directly into a video editing software, and then just re-upload it on YouTube. Really simple. Anybody could do it with no skills whatsoever, and it's really cheap here on Upwork. So all we have to do is literally admin support, virtual administrative assistant, entry. One last step, you can see how many months of work. You can have however much you want this to do, but I want you to think about this as a 6-month plan or even longer, because it does take some time to get this off the ground. Let's say you would practice to be the best basketball player in the world. Well, that wouldn't take 6 months of practice to become that. It probably takes some years, but this doesn't take years, but this takes way less time than becoming a professional chef or even going to college or becoming a professional basketball player. You can make money with this way faster than you would get any good skill. Let's say guitar or something like that. It will take you way more time than 6 months to become really skilled at that. What skills are most important to you? Video editing. So here you have video editing in there as well, and they're going to be a virtual assistant that has video editing skills, and you can use people from third world countries that actually is happy getting paid a very small hourly rate And how do I know this? Well, I have a lot of them and they're really happy working for me because they get consistent work, and also if they do a great job, I'll actually give them a bonus. So then you just click on post this job, and doesn't it make sense to use Teespring to make a lot more money with this and automate all this work so you don't have to sit there day in day out just compilating them. You can outsource that to literally $3 an hour, right? Now I want to ask you, do you want to do this alone, or would you rather have me help you alongside of you as well as my tribe help you as well? Well,